Greetings. This is Florence Nightingale speaking to you from the heavenlies. And look, I have received an invitation for a short visitation to address all nurses at the 4th International Nursing Congress of Armenia in Yerevan. Yes, September 18th and 19th in the year of our Lord, 2026. Where does the time go? Indeed, I will cross oceans of time to speak with you all on a subject that is shared by all nurses, no matter where in the world you serve our patients in our noble profession. Let's see. The theme: leading through uncertainty. Well, I have more than a trifle of experience in that regard, yes. And although my lamp was lit in another century, the light of nursing burns the same in every nation. Oh, yes. So let us come together to observe and celebrate the compassion, the integrity that gives us the agency to do the work we do and advocate for our patients. Oh yes, let this be an invitation. I look forward to seeing you all. Until then, ta-ta.